Groove is the world's #1 digital marketing platform, but it also includes a business opportunity built in. It's called an affiliate program, which means you can earn commissions referring customers. Unlike a pyramid scheme, no investment is required. There are no monthly fees or minimum sales to participate, and there's no left and right side matrix you need to follow. It's a sales commission program, the same as if you were to take a sales job that pays you commissions, plain and simple. Here's where the confusion may come in. As an additional opportunity for you to make even more money, Groove offers a 2-tier affiliate program. If your affiliates make sales, you can also earn a second-tier commission from them. It's a bonus and optional, but if you put some effort into it, it only serves to make you more money, not less. And don't worry, we don't leave you on your own. We provide free training not only to you, but also your affiliates. When you refer members, they also go through our affiliate training, and when we help them to make sales, you benefit from that as well. You can learn more about our 2-tier affiliate program at groovejv.com.